Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make nose, human nose. Okay, let's start sketching. Very light, thin lines. You can use multiple lines, no issue, but it should not be dark. Make very light lines. Make multiple lines, no issue. We can erase it off later. Okay. This time make it little darker lines. It's a view from just below the nose. Let's erase off unwanted lines. This will be the darkest area because no light is going to fall on there. See, and this side will be the darkest. This side somewhat reflected lights can fall, so give little bit light shades over here. And next side, go with the darker tone. We have to create the height using shading. Okay, if we add some shades over here, automatically the nose will get height. The darker portion will go away from our eyes and the lighter portions comes close to the eyes. That will give a three-dimensional feeling. Lower portion of the nose, let's give mid-tone. So that we'll get this portion really high. With the continuation, let's give a light tone over here. Nose is a very complicated shape. You need to practice more and more to make it perfect. Let's make this line really darker. give darker lines. Okay, we'll make different angle, front view of a nose here, because you need to practice all, then only you can draw a better nose. First of all, I made two bracket like structure, then curved line, fine, okay, let's extend little more. Let make little curvier here and make light lines over here. Okay, we got almost the shape, but here you have to remember that you have to make this area really higher, then otherwise the nose will drop down. Okay, you have to shade it with very carefully. See, I am leaving a small white, leaving paper white here, or else you can erase it off. Midtones all over. To show the highlight area, I am adding little bit shades over here. This part will be of cheeks. You can blend. It's artist decision whether to blend or not. Leave the highlights. Now let's make these areas really darker here too. This line also darker. You can continue shading if you are making complete face. Now one thing I want to show, how we created the height. See, I just left this area lighter. Why? Anyone can say? Because I left that area white. The light is falling over here and it is giving the highlight to us. This is the portion just below the nose. There's no chance light can fall over there, okay, at least in this situation. But why I left white is that is reflected light. If light is falling over here, the same light will be falling over here also, so this light can reflect over here. So this reflected light and these shades around the nose making this area higher, okay, because we have to create this area higher, then only the natural shape of nose will come. So always remember that this shade only going to help you to make this area higher. I think you got idea about that. Let us make one more angle, side view of a nose. Okay, so you will be clear about the shape. See, I am making it here, starting with mild sketching. You need to practice really well. See, the shape will be like this, side view. No, I don't want to continue that. We'll make portrait in another video. Little bit darker shades, mild tones over here, and continue here also. Just give mild tones, and along with this area also. Person to person the shape of nose can change, so you have to study well. Mild shading over here. Fine. We are almost done with the drawing. Practice well, different angle, take reference pics and try to draw that, and share your drawings with me. I'm adding my Facebook page link in description. If you like my video, Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.